Do you ever feel like there are never enough hours in a day, especially when you're trying to learn something new? Family Network on Disabilities understands. We are empowering lives through our artificial intelligence AI initiatives. Here's how. Introducing our innovative AI workshops designed with your busy life in mind. Whether you're on the go or at home, our workshops are archived, allowing you to dive back into learning anytime, anywhere. Our workshops are fully accessible on Facebook and offer an audio option, allowing you to learn wherever you are. Begin any workshop at your convenience and return at any time, with both short and long content available online for flexible learning. We are assisting families in understanding special education, medical, and mental health systems through easily accessible information presented in an innovative format. And because we believe in seeing people like you, our diverse avatars lead each session, making learning more relatable and impactful. We offer short videos on our social media pages too. These deliver bite-sized information that's not only innovative and informative, but also reshareable, perfect for spreading knowledge and empowering others in your community. Hi there, my name is Greg, one of the many FND AI representatives that help guide you through our workshops and short video content. Together, we'll explore the boundaries of what's possible, all at your own pace. Our AI workshops are more than just lessons. They're a gateway to innovation, information, and inclusion. Visit our website and follow us on social media to start your learning adventure today. The future is waiting for you.